Heygen just released an AI agent that's designed to create high-quality videos from scratch. But does it actually work? I tested it over the past week, and today I'm breaking down all of its strengths and weaknesses so you know whether it's right for you. Heygen did give me access to this tool, so they're sponsoring this video, but as always, my opinions are my own, and I'm gonna give it to you straight with real results. Before we can dive into the multiple use case tests that I put this system through, let's walk through the workflow of the agent so that you can get an idea of what we're even talking about. An AI agent is like a chatbot that helps you accomplish certain tasks or even does certain things for you. Basically like ChatGPT. Heygen created one that builds entire videos for you. It would be easier for me to just show you. In the main video agent workflow, there's a prompt box up here at the top where you can choose an avatar and a style. Styles are basically motion graphic and editing presets that polish your video with a certain look. That can be anything from Pac-Man to a polished economist style. There's tons of things to choose from here, but I'm just gonna leave this on auto. The avatar is where you pick what AI character you want to present your video. Heygen has a number of different preset individuals that you can choose from, or you can create your own using a photo or video of yourself. These are totally private and require a unique form of verification for each new avatar that's created to protect against identity theft, so it's not like just anybody can create an avatar of me or of you. If you don't want to appear on camera yourself, you can also generate custom AI avatars with descriptions or with photos. I created an avatar of me though, and I want to use it. So let's select this one with my crazy poofy hair and tell the AI that I want to create a short social video explaining AI avatars. I can specify duration and aspect ratio down here. Now let's start the conversation. The AI will take my input and then give me a proposed outline for a video that matches my request. Here at the top we can see the style that it's going with. Sleek motion graphics, soft drop shadows, and stock footage all look really good, and so does the color palette. And part of the reason that all of this is so spot on to begin with is because Heygen has already built a whole set of preferences that they know that I have from previous chats that I've had, and I'll dive into that in a minute. Now down here is our outline, and most of these shots look good, except I would like to take the first shot and change it to be A-roll with the avatar instead of B-roll. So I'll just ask the AI to change that, and just like that, we've got an updated outline. Now I can just click looks good, go ahead, and the agent gets to work on creating my short. While it's creating the short, you can see that Heygen actually popped up new suggested memories. These are the preferences that you can choose to have an agent remember when creating future projects with you. Here it's saying from this chat, I can tell that I don't like having a watermark at the end of the video, I prefer narrative cinematic storytelling, and I like chill ambient music. All of which look good, so I accepted them. Now going forward, this style will usually be default unless instructed otherwise, which is why the original outline for the style of the short that we created was so accurate. Okay, now the first version of the video is ready, so let's check it out.
Ever wondered how digital characters come to life? Welcome to the world of AI avatars. These are digital twins, powered by AI to look, move, and speak with incredible realism. Just a few minutes of footage is all it takes for AI to learn your unique personality and voice. No more cameras, lights, or retakes. Create professional content in any language instantly. The future of video is here. It's time to meet your AI avatar and start creating today.
This isn't bad at all, but I definitely want to tweak it a bit. I'm going to tell the agent to regenerate the graphic in scene 2, use a different stock footage shot of cameras and video production and lighting in scene 4, and regenerate my avatar in scene 5 to make sure he always looks at the camera. The new outline looks good. Let's see what it gives us.
Ever wondered how digital characters come to life? Welcome to the world of AI avatars. These are digital twins, powered by AI to look, move, and speak with incredible realism. Just a few minutes of footage is all it takes for AI to learn your unique personality and voice. No more cameras, lights, or retakes. Create professional content in any language instantly. The future of video is here. It's time to meet your AI avatar and start creating today.
Okay, this is better. Although I do think I'm realizing that I kind of talked with my hands way too much and looked away a bit too much when creating this avatar. So let's just experiment and switch it out for a woman and then also change the music.
Ever wondered how digital characters come to life? Welcome to the world of AI avatars. These are digital twins, powered by AI to look, move, and speak with incredible realism. Just a few minutes of footage is all it takes for AI to learn your unique personality and voice. No more cameras, lights, or retakes. Create professional content in any language instantly. The future of video is here. It's time to meet your AI avatar and start creating today.
And just like that, totally different vibe. I do think that I liked the pure AI avatar better than myself though. And that's just kind of hurtful. Okay, so now that we've seen how it works, I wanted to see how it performed for 3 different types of creators: storytellers in education, businesses, and finally, content creators like me. I tested this tool first through the eyes of faceless YouTubers who are creating story-centric content like history recaps. My first video was a quick breakdown of the legend of the Trojan horse.
10 years of war, and then silence. The Greeks were gone, leaving only a gift. A massive wooden horse, a token of surrender, or a deadly trap. Troy celebrated its victory, unaware that the enemy was already inside. In the dead of night, the hatch opened. Odysseus and his elite warriors descended. The gates were thrown open. Troy fell, not by force, but by history's greatest deception, the Trojan horse. A reminder that sometimes the greatest weapons are the ones we let in ourselves.
I think that turned out pretty dang well, and the crazy thing was, I didn't have to write any of that script myself. The AI knew the whole story and wrote it all on its own. I tried it again and this time went the science route, asking it to explain the Northern Lights in a Studio Ghibli style.
Have you ever wondered what creates the dancing lights of the north? This is the science of the aurora borealis. It all begins with the sun. It constantly releases the solar wind, a stream of charged particles traveling millions of miles through space. Earth's magnetic field acts as a shield, but near the poles, these particles slip through and collide with our atmosphere. When they strike oxygen and nitrogen atoms, they release energy as bursts of light. Green is the most common, while rare reds appear much higher up. To see them, head to the auroral oval. Places like Tromsø, Fairbanks, and Iceland offer the clearest, darkest skies. The best time to watch is between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. during the equinoxes. A truly magical link between our sun and our sky. Explore the wonders of our world and find your own light in the sky.
I think that was even better than the last one. Let me know in the comments which one you preferred. Honestly, if you're making educational content or you're even like a teacher trying to produce something engaging to share with your class, HeyGen feels like an awesome fit for you. But what about for businesses? First, I tested HeyGen on the creation of a short form ad for a bookstore. I uploaded a logo and then used HeyGen's brand kit feature where you can select fonts, colors, and styles as a preset for your business to keep your image consistent across multiple video generations. This is what it gave me.
In a world that never stops moving, there's a place where time stands still. Welcome to Book 7. Every shelf holds a new world, and every page is a doorway to a new adventure. Find your sanctuary among the classics and the hidden gems waiting to be discovered. We are more than just a bookstore. We are a community of dreamers and storytellers. Visit Book 7 today and find the story you've been looking for.
You know, it's okay. I mean, clearly it's nothing close to what a professional videographer could give you, but it's not terrible and it's super easy and way cheaper than it would cost to hire a professional videographer to do the same sort of thing. Plus with the agent, you can always just go back in and tweak things to make them look and sound exactly as you want without having to go through a bunch of tedious revision rounds with another person. Let's look at one more use case and then give a verdict for businesses. This next ad is one that I developed for an imaginative ocean conservation nonprofit.
The ocean is the lifeblood of our planet, a vast blue heart that sustains us all. But today, that heart is in trouble. Pollution and climate change are pushing marine life to the brink. Every year, millions of tons of plastic enter our waters, destroying habitats and lives. We are at a tipping point. Over 90% of big fish populations are already depleted. At Ocean Guard, we're fighting back. We restore reefs and protect critical marine sanctuaries. With your help, we've already protected over 1 million square miles of ocean. But we can't do it alone. Your support ensures a future where these giants can thrive. Join us. Donate today and help us save our blue heart, because every drop counts.
Now this is pretty dang solid. I do think that the stock footage and the graphics really lend themselves to the needs of this kind of project. So for businesses just starting out, if you don't have any video production expertise on your own and you can't hire a videographer for thousands of dollars yet, I think these HeyGen videos would work really well to get yourself out there in a video format without breaking the bank. Now for content creators. Can these tools be used in conjunction with a real person like myself presenting a video on camera? Like if I get sick and I can't film for a while, would people really notice if I replaced myself with an AI avatar? I definitely think so. Check out the first generation that we made with my avatar again.
Ever wondered how digital characters come to life? Welcome to the world of AI avatars.
No matter how good these AI avatars are, you can still kind of tell that they're fake. Now, there's definitely a space in the internet where the viewer doesn't really care that it's an AI, and if your content and script are good, then it doesn't matter. But I think if you usually film yourself live like I do, and then switch to an AI avatar, people will definitely notice. The voice and visuals are just not polished or perfect enough yet.
However, if you start a channel exclusively using an AI avatar, that might help sell it because there wouldn't be anything for the viewer to compare it to directly.
Either way, the most important thing is if you have something to say or a good idea, you should get that out into the world, and maybe an AI avatar is the perfect way for you to do that. Overall, I'm definitely impressed with this new AI agent from Heygen, and I think it could be an awesome resource for businesses and educators, and definitely for Faceless YouTube channels. Heygen also offers free accounts to try out the tool, so you can check it out for yourself if you're interested. I've got a link down in the description below. Thanks for watching.